restore plastic trim. Wear protective gloves and eyewear when using this product. Step 1. Waterless clean the plastic trim with wash-all and a clean, dry microfiber towel. Step 2. Remove any soap residue with a damp towel, followed by a dry towel. It is essential that all moisture be removed. For this reason, we do not recommend wet washing the vehicle before applying trim care. If the vehicle is wet washed, allow it to air dry for several hours or use compressed air to remove moisture before application. Step 3. Carefully wipe the plastic trim with the pre-saturated wipe, making overlapping passes to evenly spread the coating. Allow the trim care to cure on the surface for 1 hour before driving or exposing to moisture. Designed specifically for the restoration of aged, faded trim, this product should not be applied to new trim. Off-gassing from newly manufactured plastics may cause coating failure. For a less shiny, more matte finish, after applying, wipe the ceramic with a microfiber towel before it fully dries. If any trim care gets on paint or glass, just wipe it off with a towel before it dries.